Hello, I'm Maria Morrison, Doctor of Audiology with Geneva Hearing Services. Behind me is one of our sound booths. Every hearing test should be done in a calibrated sound booth, not sitting across the table from your hearing care provider. At Geneva Hearing Services, whether we're testing the hearing of a newborn baby or we're fitting hearing aids on a neighbor, we always follow best practices to ensure expert medical care with every visit. To learn more, call the office and schedule an appointment to ensure you are hearing at your very best.